So today I'll be showing you how to get Microsoft Copilot on your iPhone. So you can actually use the AI assistant right from your iPhone. So to get this, all you have to do is go to the Apple App Store and then tap on the search function and then just search for Copilot like that. Okay. And from the results, you will see Microsoft Copilot. You can tap on that and then just tap on get. Just go ahead and install it like any other application. So allow the app to get installed. And once it's installed, you can launch it from there and you have Microsoft Copilot right on your iPhone. So you can just go ahead and either tap on continue or sign in and then sign in with your Microsoft account and you're good to go. So let me just sign in quickly. And then, of course, you might be asked to set those quick signups. Let me just skip that for now. And there you go. So we now have Microsoft Copilot, the AI assistant, right on the iPhone. So you can call on this anytime to do things like you can build storylines, you can create different endings to a movie, you can make it generate photos, for instance, you can ask it questions. And of course, this is being run by ChatGPT in the background, obviously, because it's Microsoft. But it's a very useful assistant, and I'll be making subsequent videos on the things, different things you can do with Microsoft Copilot on your iPhone. So make sure you get subscribed not to miss any of those, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.